I wanted to build a movable cabinet for my tools and also some stuff at home. So since it's a small space, I cannot even actually record doing it. So I want to show you how I'm going to make step by step. So like these are the remaining hood. So I'm starting the process down here. So due to lack of space, I will show you just once I've completed, because even I don't know where to put the camera, but this is how it is. So I'm starting by this because I have used 9mm hinge, so I'm pinning this down to give some weight, and then I will reinforce the other things outside there, and I'll show you step by step on how I've done it. It's almost complete, but not yet, because I'm still yet to attach this into the place, then devise some shelf there, put the door, and then you see this type of wood is the one bulging out, so I'll have to make sure it's straight somehow. Yeah, then put some wheels. No bad thing in it. I'm doing well. Yeah. So I told you the guys, the reason I don't want to project this is because the space is too small. I'm not even able to, and I have to build 2 of this. I mean 2. So this first one, when I'm done with it, and then keep it aside, and I start building another one. So you see this, I'm still having these ones there to build. Yeah, because my space is small and I have a lot of items to shelve them, so I rather shelve them to keep space. And so once I'm done joining with the brand nailer, then I'll now use the normal nails so that it makes it firm and strong. And also I've used a glue, so once I'm done with the nails, I'll just set this aside first and then go back to do something else. So that is it. I'll update you. So okay, that is it's not yet finished. You could see this is what I had said, that when you do the binding of this, because it is 9mm, yeah, so I had to use this one whole round. I made to put the shelves in between to make it much stronger. It is long, actually. It is 72 inches high, and 30, this is 30 inches. Okay, high is 72, and then here to end there is 24. Actually, basically, when I just come inside, I'm all inside. It's like, it's so tall even than me, but I preferred it this way because it will help me store a lot of goods inside. So, and then I'll put it, so it just move it around, like it will not be bothering me when I'm doing my stuff. So if I don't need in this corner, I'm just shifting to another corner. If I don't need in this corner, I'm just shifting to another corner. So I find it so awesome than having this the full, because my workshop is too small, literally too small. But I'll walk you through the journey. Thank you. Guys, this thing is so big, like, so this is the height of it. So I'm planning to put shelves inside, like so that, and also put some legs. So I got these 2 types of wheel catchers, that like under wheels, so that heavy duty. So once I'm done with these parts, putting shelves on the door, then I'll put the wheels so that it be so easy to move around. So you see, I wanted to buy this. This is as a brake part, so this one will just be on the other side, and this, they are quite expensive because they are heavy duty. So yeah, walk with me through the journey to create this. It is not an easy work though, but with practice it is easy. I've created 2 so far. This is one. This is one. You see, even my height is quite far, and then voila, this is another one. So I have this one and the other one. So I've made 2 of them. So this is another one, and these are the things I want to use to make shelves. It is easier once I've just put all of this into place. Like, let me show you. So this is how I'm making it. Now it's not easy for me to shoot the whole video because the space is too small. So that's why I'm making each at a time, and then also you see I'm just standing and I'm seeing another one. So this is how I'm making this space for shelving. It is 72i and I want to make 5 shelves, so that means I'll space 14, and the rest one will be a bit bigger, but it's still okay. So that is it. So measuring it using a spirit level, then bring it. So when it's come to, okay, I'm not putting actually the actual thing for here, but I just want to show you an example. So it is going to be easier. This is not for you, I'm just using it an example. So once I'm just done, I'll just measure. You see, this is not even easy because there's some space here. So once I'm done with making the shelves round, when putting these ridges round, then it will be easier to just place this and use a branilla to just stick them, and then I do the painting. So these are my hood ready here. I'm also having the exact size somewhere there. So these are for the doors. Yeah, I'll take you through once I'm done for all of them. It's not an easy thing though, especially balancing this part for spirit level. So for example, let me see if this one is okay. Yeah, kinda. I just some adjustments, not correctly done, so I'm still yet to adjust to ensure that. So this side, the other side is too high. Yeah. So that is the work I'm doing now. I will not shoot the whole thing showing you, so I'll be doing step by step and recording and showing you what I've done. I'm making 2 shelves for storage. One is for tools, one is some other items, so that I'm also putting them wheels. So it will be easier to move them because my workshop is too small. So it's easier to move them out. Plus I wanted to make everything on wheels for easier cleaning of the workshop, and also for easier moving out. So stick around, kindly subscribe, please let me beg you, subscribe, drop down a comment, let me know what do you think. Sorry for the fan is making noise. That's a fan I've made for myself. So it was an old fan, so I had to paint the blades gold. And yeah, that's what I'm using for my workshop. It's even the electronic the electricity part connecting the bulb, so it is automatic. I don't have a switch for bulb, so once I switch on from the regulator, it goes on. Sorry for that noise, for I have to have some cool in my workshop. Stick around, kindly subscribe.